Welcome to Meditation Monday. This is the Meditation for Beginners series, and today we are going to do a quick 10 minutes meditation exercise for instant stress relief, which you can do during your day whenever you have a short break and need a way to calm down and ground yourself. So go somewhere where you will not be interrupted and where you will not have to be alert. Then close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose while counting to 1. Then purse your lips and breathe out slowly through your mouth while counting to 2. Make your exhalations longer than your inhalations to promote relaxation and allow your body to relax. So breathe in on 1. And breathe out on 2. Inhaling 1 and exhaling 2. Stay with your breath and let it center you and keep you grounded. Breathing in on 1 and breathing out on 2. Inhaling deeply and exhaling fully. Breathe into your stomach and release tension and stress as you exhale. Allow yourself to be completely relaxed. As you breathe in, you are breathing a new energy. Let it fill your body and heal you. And as you breathe out, you are breathing out thoughts, worries, stress, and tension, making your body nice and relaxed and making your mind calm and still. Just let go. Breathe in on 1 and breathe out on 2. Inhaling deeply and exhaling fully. Breathe in on 1 and breathe out on 2. Stay with your breath and let your breath be your center. Breathe in pure energy and breathe out negativity and pollution. Inhaling deeply on 1 and exhaling fully on 2. Letting go of stress and regaining control of your body and mind, no longer controlled by your emotions, no longer controlled by your environment, but in perfect balance and harmony, grounded and centered, with a clear mind. So breathe in on 1 and breathe out on 2. Breathe in deeply. And breathe out fully, feeling calm and feeling balanced. Your breath is your focus point. Your breath will keep you centered, and your breath will keep you grounded. Breathing in on 1, and breathing out on 2. Inhaling fresh new energy, and exhaling negative energy. Breathing in healing, and breathing out stress, pollution, and tension. Allow yourself to just relax and let go of the thoughts and emotions that are making you feel stressed out, angry, and upset. Just let go. So breathe in deeply. And breathe out negative thoughts. Breathe out your negative emotions. And breathe out the darkness from your heart, making room for healing, restoring your health, and restoring your happiness. So breathe in on 1, and breathe out on 2. Inhaling deeply, and exhaling fully. Breathe into your stomach, filling your body with fresh air, and breathe out slowly and fully, feeling calm and feeling relaxed. Breathing in on 1, and breathing out on 2. Inhaling 1, and exhaling 2. Stay with your breath and make it your center. Regain control of your mind and body, and notice how you begin to completely relax. Your body is calm and your mind is still as you breathe in on 1, and you breathe out on 2. Now take one last deep breath and then open your eyes, feeling centered and feeling in control. Thanks for watching. Please support me on Patreon to help keep this channel going. I'm so grateful for all the people supporting me, as your support is what makes this possible. So thank you. I am jbittersweet, and I will see you in the next video. Namaste.